Hey guys, Jason Guyman here with ChristmasLightsTraining.com, and today I want to show you how I put this wreath up, and this is a big wreath, without using a screw or no nails, no nothing. And so before I go into that, please subscribe to my channel, Christmas Lights, so I can grow it to 500, and I'd appreciate it very much. So what we have here is this hook right here, and what this does is it will slide up underneath you kind of got to get it even up in there, slide it up under the vinyl and pull it down. You can see it is holding that wreath with no problem. It's actually, I didn't know how it was going to work, so I was a little that's why I did it on the bottom, so if it came off I can just screw the vinyl siding back up there. But it's holding no problem, and it's actually, I pulled on it and it's holding very well. So you can see basically all you do is you're going to take this lip right here and you're going to slide it up underneath the vinyl siding and just put it right there. And you can see I'm pulling pretty hard and it's still sitting there. Here, I'm going to pull this one out so you can say that I didn't, if I can get it out now. Alright, so we just put that up on there. So this would be a great place if you want to put a wreath on maybe like a vinyl siding by the front door or something. I mean, we could probably put our big wreaths up there. As a professional, I'm probably not going to do that, just the simple fact that I want to make sure that we don't damage a customer's house. But this is a way that we can put a wreath up and not have to use a screw gun, not have to do any of that kind of stuff. And it seems to be working pretty awesome here. And then to go to remove it, all you have to do is push this back up in there, kind of pull the siding out and pull them down. So you're gonna push it up, this one, just pop it right out of there. And that's it. So that's all you need to do is just slide them up in there. You slide it up in there. Actually, it works easier over here. Slide it up in there. That's not wanting to work for me. Alright, slide it up in there. There, we got it caught. Set it back up there. And there we go. We have a wreath hung. And like I say, you can see it's not really pulling on that vinyl siding up there at all. So that's a pretty cool deal. I put the link down in the description where you can get them at. It'll be a Christmas Lights Training / probably vinyl siding hook. So there, that's pretty cool. Please subscribe to my channel. Please, if you have any questions, please ask and watch all these videos over here. Thank you and have a great day.